I am working as a DM right now and expect my promotion next year. So I am very grateful to this course and all of you.
So, what is the message that you would have for the budding IFBIans or the students studying with IFBI?
I just say that this is a very wonderful course for the graduates, and after completing this course, you will get a good placement, and your career will always be on the upward path.
Well, ma'am, it feels really great because whenever you're working hard and you have to go home, that moment is enough. So being into IFBI, it's always a pleasure to be with the faculty, to know the platform from where you started and now making it to the landmark and making each milestone, covering each thing. So it's always been a pleasurable moment to be with IFBI. Whatever the things are taught in IFBI, take it very seriously because that would be helping you in your future. Whatever practical experiences you'll have, that would be like based on whatever you learn from IFBI. Whosoever wants to get into the banking career, IFBI is the gateway for the same. It provides you with the base understandings what banking is all about. So it gives you exposure of the classroom trainings as well as having the lectures, the trainings. Whatever ambience and whatever environment is provided in IFBI, it is very much similar to the practical things that are happening. So like the tests that we give in IFBI are very much similar to the tests that we have in ICSA. So everything is quite same. So if you're starting good with IFBI, you'll have a great career in it.
Taking entry in a bank is very difficult, that too in operations these days. So IFBI gives that platform so that you can go wherever you want from that.
IFBI is a very good brand and we are learning a lot here.
This platform actually provided me a spark to my career, and I started my career from IFBI. So thanks to IFBI basically. So it was a great experience. Overall, it is actually one should go for IFBI as in if somebody wants to start their career.
And still working with IDBI Bank, Mathura branch. And I hope to get promoted in 1 or 2 years span and will become manager there.
After completing 4 years, I left that organization and I joined Kotak Mahindra Bank as a relationship manager. And the profile was of sales completely. I worked for 15 months there. Then I joined Axis Bank in operations as a manager.
I was selected for HDFC Bank in 2008. So I've served for HDFC for 5 years. And now I've moved to Kotak as a branch operations manager. And about IFBI, I would say that it was a great platform for me to go into the banking industry.
IFBI was a very great platform for me. I started my career from ICICI Bank retail banking. Still I am with ICICI. I'm liking it and I'm enjoying my life.
With this certificate I get the job, that is the best part, and after that many more things I have achieved in my life just because of that my first job.
I have grown very well just because of IFBI. I have purchased my own car this year, I-10, and in my family there was no car.
5 साल के बाद अभी लास्ट मंथ ही मैं HDFC में मैंने ज्वाइन किया है एज असिस्टेंट ब्रांच मैनेजर एंड IFBI इज़ द टर्निंग पॉइंट ऑफ माय करियर. और 2008 का जो टाइम था वो बड़ा रिसेशन वाला टाइम था, तब हमें IFBI से सहारा मिला. ऑन बिहाफ ऑल ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स जो यहाँ पर नहीं है, मैं उन सबकी तरफ से IFBI को थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने हमें इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया जहाँ से हम इतना आगे जा सके. थैंक यू वेरी मच.